Hello, 8th graders. We want to help you ace the Bergen Academies admission test. We have an online course just for you. It's called Gouda BCA Super BCA Course. In this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to ace the Bergen Academies admission test in math and English. I'm also going to practice a lot with you so that you are super ready for the Bergen Academies test in January. You can register anytime. It's a self-paced course. It's all online. And you have access 24 hours a day from the day you register up until test day in January. Let me show you quickly how this course looks. First of all, let's look here. Our course has 10 units. Unit 1, Introduction and Course Materials. Unit 2, Diagnostic Math Test. Unit 3, All Math Chapters. Unit 4, Math Practice. Unit 5, Essay Explanation. Unit 6, Essay Practice. Unit 7, Extra Math Work. Unit 8, Extra Essay Work. Unit 9, Final Revision. And Unit 10, Taking the Real BCA Test, which is the unit that you will complete by yourselves and then let us know what you did. Let's take a quick look at what each of these units includes. You have to complete this course in order. So when you click on 1 right here, it opens Unit 1 for you. And you watch the introduction video below and then you mark it as done when you're done. Number 2, here's our course material. Our course material, we have the Get Ready Guide, which is our book. You can find that on Amazon or on our website, goudabca.com. Then you have BCA Practice Sheets 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then BCA Diagnostic Test, BCA Practice Essays, and a BCA Final Math Test. We do include some more practice later on, but these are the basic main components of the practice and the actual material that we use throughout the course. Once you have this in check, you can click on Next Unit. Opening Next Unit right here, you get Unit 2, which is a diagnostic math test. And basically what you need to do here is you need to complete a test in a certain time. After you're done with your test, you can watch a video that has complete explanation of all the questions on this test. You're done with that, let's move on to the next unit. Unit 3 contains explanation for all our math chapters. And we actually have a lot of work right here. If you look here, we have Chapter 1, Part 1. We have Chapter 1, Part 2. We have Chapter 2. We have Chapter 3, Chapter 4, Chapter 5, Chapter 6, Chapter 7, Chapter 8, Chapter 9, Chapter 10, Chapter 11, and then you're done with the basic math part of the course. Move along, you have Unit 4, which is our math practice. And in the math practice, we have a lot of practice we're going to do. We're going to do a 40-question practice test, the one in the Get Ready Guide. We covered that and have all the explanation for every single one of the 40 questions. Then we move on to practice sheet number 1 with all the explanations in a video. Same thing for practice sheet 2, and so on and so on and so on and so on and so on. So all this practice, you do the practice, then you watch videos, and in the videos I explain all of the questions in the practice. Unit 5 is our essay explanation unit. In Unit 5, we basically go over the actual process of writing the essay and reading the passage or the story to which you will write the essay. We have this in 2 long videos where I explain the essay in details. Move further along to Unit 6, and this is where we have essay practice. You're going to write an essay, then you're going to watch videos of me critiquing and explaining some of those essays and telling you how to make them better, other essays that other students have written before. Then we have a second set of essay videos. We have a lot of essay videos on more than 4 or 5 different essays. Move along. We have extra math work. In the extra math work, we have a trial test. We have the explanations to the trial test. We have a 20-question final test with the explanations as well. And then we give you drafts from our new books that aren't out yet. So that's about 3 extra tests that you will have access to. You can get the tests, you can work on them, you can actually find detailed explanations for each of the questions. About 3 tests, 40 questions each. So that's over 120 questions of extra math work there. Then we have extra essay work. And here basically we have 4 new essays that we work on with videos explaining some of these essays as well. When you reach Unit 10, you have a final revision class, which is super important. I explain some of the most important parts of the BCA test. I revise some of the most important topics that we learned together, and I get you ready for the test. I talk about things like time, stress, and focus, as well as math and essay writing, of course. Unit 10, as I said before, is when you complete the actual test. You're going to take the real BCA test, and you're going to let me know how you did on the test. So, one more time, Super BCA Course. We help you ace the Bergen Academies admission test. You can start today, start anytime. You'll have access the whole time up until test day in January. And I'm glad to answer your emails, answer your questions. If you're stuck on something in the course and you don't understand it, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck, 8th graders in New Jersey, Bergen Academies admission test.